In this video, I want to talk to you about matching your bank transactions to vendor bills in Wave. So for example, if you have open vendor bills under purchases, you may record a payment here for those vendor bills. But then if you have your bank connected here, then you're also going to have some bank transactions on this page. And you want to be careful not to end up with duplicates. So for example, if I go to purchases, you can see that there are two unpaid vendor bills, one for $440, one for $250. Well, if I go to the transactions page, there are also two expenses for those amounts that may have been brought in by a bank connection. So what I'm going to do first is show you recording a bill payment. So if I record a payment for this $440 bill from the checking account, I'm going to save this. That marks this vendor bill as paid. But when I go to the transactions page, now I have a duplicate. I have the transaction that the bank brought in, and I have a transaction for the bill payment I just recorded. So I want to avoid this duplicate because this is going to duplicate my expenses. Now, sometimes if you already have the bill payment recorded before it comes on this page, before the transaction comes on this page, sometimes Wave will auto match the duplicate, and you'll see a little symbol here that looks different than your usual symbol, and it will ask you to confirm the duplicate. So Wave does pick up on it sometimes, but it's not always easy to record that bill payment before it comes into the bank transaction page. So that's why I wanted to make this video to show you how to avoid duplicates. Okay, so I'm going to actually delete that bill payment. And that should have opened the vendor bill back up. So if I go back here, you can see that it's now back to being unpaid. And I'm going to go back to those bank transactions. So right here, what I want to do where it says category is click on that and choose payment sent for a bill in Wave. And when I click on that, it gives me any outstanding bills in Wave. So I would just choose that $440 open vendor bill. And it does tell me who the vendor is and the bill number here, so I can make sure I'm attaching this payment to the right bill. So I'd click on that. And then if I go back to the purchases page, you can see that now that shows that status is paid, but this time I don't have a duplicate. Okay, I'm going to go back to that accounting page, to that transactions page, and I'm going to go ahead and record this bill payment as well. So I would click on payment sent for a bill in Wave, choose the outstanding bill that I want to match this expense to. And that's it. If I go back over to purchases, you can see that it marked that vendor bill as paid as well. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to match those transactions correctly. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and thank you for watching.